Hello folks, today this Fiat Punto will be having its front brake pads replaced. Removing this cap allows the brake fluid to rise when I push the caliper pistons back later. The wheel bolt sizes are 17mm. The front brake pads on these cars are about as easy to replace as it gets. There are no bolts to remove, only a single pin to be popped out. Now isn't that just so easy? These old pads obviously have no life left in them. Next I'll blow out the old brake dust. Here I'm checking that the caliper is floating freely on the pin. Now to push the piston back so as to make room for the new brake pads, which will be much thicker than the ones I just removed. This of course will also push the brake fluid back up the lines and make the level in the brake fluid bottle rise. This is why I removed the cap from the bottle earlier. Here you can see the difference in thickness and remaining material between the old and new pad. As usual, I'm putting some copper grease on the metal contact points, in other words the backs of the new brake pads. This helps to cut down noises later on. If you have any questions about this job or have any other car maintenance related questions, you're very welcome to post them on our forum at DIYcarguide.com. The little hole I'm pointing to in the pin needs to be visible after I fit the pin so that I can put the little clip back into it. Just a reminder that after the new pads are fitted to both front sides and everything is bolted back up, it's important to pump the brake pedal a few times to bed the new pads onto the discs. As you can see, I'm struggling to make sure the hole lines up correctly. Note to myself, must get new glasses soon. Okay, I finally got it lined up and this is the last step. I just need to check the brake fluid level before I replace the cap. That looks fine, and thanks very much for watching.